Welcome YouTubers. In today's video we will learn what is CNC and what is the full form of CNC. CNC is a term belongs to computer sections, and this belongs to a particular section which is numerical controlling. Full form of CNC is computer numerical control. CNC full form is computer numerical control. CNC full form is computer numerical control. CNC full form is computer numerical control. Thank you very much for subscribe to our YouTube channel A to Z Full Forms and hit the bell icon for the latest video updates. Darshan Giri Goswami Creations.